Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Little Fingers. I hope you all have a good week so far. So today I am going to share with you the tools I purchased to do more DIY projects. Without further ado, let's dig into our unboxing series. At first, I've only used the tools I've found from Walmart, the toolkit for fixing smartphones, although it can be used for the very basic tasks like taking off screws, but it doesn't have the heat gun that helps open the sealed phones, and suction cups aren't that reliable. That's when I've decided to buy additional tools for my DIY projects and fixing phones and computers. The first thing in my list is a heat gun. I could have used a blower, but it is too loud and huge when I use it. So I purchased heat gun from tacklife that's intended to melt any sealer like glue. It sure works very well in heating up the sealed components. This mini gun has long cord and it is lightweight. It features non-slip rubber grip, and packaging comes with a nozzle accessory for convenient targeting heating. The next on my list are the opening tools that I bought from Amazon. It's the Sharpen 10-in-1 opening tools. In the package, you will find a very strong and reliable LCD screen opening pliers, dual head flexible opening tool, cleaning cloth, 3 kinds of plastic pry opener, tweezers, and anti-static brush, plus screen protector. The next set in my opening tools is from ifixit. They call it eye opener kit. In the package, it comes with the eye opener, of course, the precision bead driver, integrated SIM eject tool, angled tweezers, battery blocker, suction handle, spudger, pliers, picks, plastic cards, and double O Phillips screwdriver, 2.5mm screwdriver, and the sorting tray. These tools are pretty awesome. It helps you get done with your project. There you go, folks. Just remember, if I can do it, you can as well. Thank you for watching and have a good one.